Okay, our next one says a particle moves along a horizontal path such that its position at time t is greater than or equal to 0, is given by this function right here. And it says, for what positive value of t is the velocity of the particle equal to 0? So what I'm noticing is that it says velocity. So when I see velocity and I see this function, I know that I'm going to want to take the derivative of it. So if I use the power rule to take the derivative, I'll get t squared plus 4t minus 12. Okay. Now it says, for what positive value of t is the velocity of the particle equal to 0? So what we're going to do is just set this equal to 0. And now we're just going to solve for t. So because there's two t's in here, we're just going to factor it out. So when we factor it, we're going to get t minus 2 and t plus 6. Now to make these both 0, for this one t would have to be 2, and for this one t would have to be negative 6. So these are our 2 points, or our 2 times. So t equals 2, t equals negative 6. Now if we look back to the question, it says, for what positive value of t is the velocity of the particle equal to 0? And positive is underlined. So it really wants us to know that it's looking for the positive value. So we have negative 6 and 2. The answer is going to be 2.